What's up, Harmony One holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Harmony. What's the current price of Harmony? What's the price in the Harmony? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. In this time, if you look the latest price update of the Harmony, so now the current situation of Harmony is going wrong. Now the currently latest price is 0.07 USD dollar. And the Bitcoin price is also very low because the USD dollar price is in the point, so the BTC price is also in the decimal, my friends. The market cap, you can see here market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Harmony One coin. Every update you can see here, my friends. Now, my friends, at this time, the last 1 hour pricing occur in the Harmony as negative. Last 24 hours pricing is negative. Last 1 week prices occur in the Harmony as negative. Completely fast down occur in the Harmony, my friends. So, you know what? A lot of people ask me questions about Harmony, that when will the price pump and when will we will get a profit from the Harmony. The people are so excited for the profit of in Harmony One coin, but don't worry, my friends. Hope they will give you profit in this month, my friends. You know what? Every cryptocurrency is fast down. That's not mean that you disappointed, my friends. Please hold in and please wait for the pump of Harmony One coin. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart. My friends, I know the price of Harmony One coin is completely fast down, but you can see here, if you look the previous time change in the Harmony, so the previous time change is good, but now in the last 1 week the price of Harmony is going down gradually. But you know what, my friends, that is the common rules of cryptocurrencies market, that after a fast there is a jump. So now in this time the price of Harmony is fast down, but after a fast there is a jump. So I'm sure, my friends, I believe that Harmony will take a huge pump in this month. But if you want profit from a Harmony, so you have to hold to the last of this month. If you hold to the last of this month, so there is no doubt, so you will get profit from the Harmony. Anyways, my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.